eyes, cool, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about what I ate today after intermittent fasting. So basically I skipped my breakfast and I only had 2 meals today, lunch and dinner. Now my dinner is also going to be a compilation of meal prepping, so that will be my lunch for the next 2 days, so Monday and Tuesday for work. If you want to know more about intermittent fasting, drop a comment below so I know, and I'll be sure to make a video in the future. All right, let's get started. Added, and this also is a great source of vitamin A. So let's see what's inside of it, because I'm all about the ingredients. So as you can see, this soup is loaded with tons of vegetables and vitamins. So I decided to have it with a side salad of snap peas, cabbage, carrots sliced up with some almonds, and some fruit infused water. And then I thought, it's a little plain, so I decided to add some hemp and a little bit of salt to it. So that wraps up my lunch. All right, next is my dinner. And the dinner is actually going to be this teriyaki stir fry, but I am not going to be using the sauce because it has wheat in it. So yeah, I'm going to just make my own thing with some barbecue jackfruit. So it's going to be like a faux stir fry, and this pack is actually really good. My husband actually got me hooked on it, so I use the sauce for him and his stir fries or something like that. But anyway, this is going to be a meal prep for me. So this right here is my tahini sauce. I have my Upton barbecue jackfruit, which is bomb. You guys have to try it. The nutrition and everything is on the back. This is what it looks like in the bag. So it's straight jackfruit, and then it's obviously smothered in their barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this right into my stir fry. I'm going to cut it up a little bit more so it's smaller, but this is exactly what it looks like once I get it going. I'm going to add a little bit of my secret weapon to it, which is this right here. Guys, this stuff is amazing. These aminos are amazing. It is my secret weapon, I promise you. So you're still getting the teriyaki sauce without the soy, without the wheat, and it's still vegan. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that into my container. Oh my goodness, I wish you all were here. It smells so amazing. I cannot wait to eat this for dinner. And then, like I said, this is my meal prep, so it will be my lunch for Monday and Tuesday at work. Alright, so I decided to add some chickpeas to this, and all I did was put that in a skillet with some grapeseed oil, coconut oil, and some curry. And I'm going to top that off into my meal prep. Now this is a smaller version for my husband. He saw it and was like, God, that smells good. So we'll see how he likes it. All right, so now for the next part of my meal prep, I'm going to add these Brussels sprouts to my skillet. I have them kind of going with some grapeseed oil, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and a little bit of curry as well. This is going to go on the side of the jackfruit stir fry. So we're pretty much going to do just 3 compilations and put them all together in my meal prep for lunch. All right, and then this is really simple for maybe the mom on the go, the student on the go. This is going to be my mixed vegetables with my beans. And I love this because it's not in a can. They're already in water in this pouch. And then rice, and you put it all together. So returning back to my Brussels sprouts, this is what it looks like now. And all I did was add some vegan Worcestershire sauce, I believe that's how you say it, and voila. Alright guys, so as you can see, here is the compilation of all 3. I have my faux chicken stir fry, I have my rice and mixed vegetables, and I have my lightly curried Brussels sprouts. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe below, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to check the description box. There's a lot of great, helpful stuff in there. Catch you later.
It's like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just trying to get it, I ain't trying to die. She got a big ol' on your booty, make the world cry. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry.